if your clipper sounds like this and you're still using it on your client, you are making a big mistake. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your clipper stop making noise and give you steps and ways to fix it fast. So make sure you like, subscribe and comment on this video if you find it helpful. Okay guys, let's get right into the video. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's start by checking the blade screws. If they are loose, your clipper will vibrate and make noise. So make sure you tighten them gently, just like I'm doing it right now. Next, apply your clipper oil, just a few drops. A dry blade creates friction and friction causes noise. So apply it the way I'm doing it in this video. Since the noise is still there, let's open the blades and clean the inside of the clipper. The air inside can block the movement and increases the vibration of the clipper. If the noise is still there, check the moving arm inside. If it's dry or misaligned, it won't run smoothly. Turn it on again and listen carefully. It should sound smoothly and not aggressive. Don't ignore noise. If you keep using it like that, you can damage your blade or motor. Okay guys, we have come to the end of the video. Make sure you maintain your clipper every week and oil the blade of it regularly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.